Hey guys, my name is Kara, and welcome to my world of design. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a lot to do today, so let's get to it. Welcome to the neutral nest. Just to give you a background, we will be doing a 23 square meter condo unit. The main request of the client is for us to transform the space into a nature-inspired home with lots of plants and neutral in terms of the color scheme. For the functionality, she requested for two things: a big bed and lots 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 of storage. So let's get to it. Without further ado, roll video in 3, 2, 1. Since we're working with a tight space, the first thing we had to consider was the placement of the bed. It's the biggest piece of furniture in the unit, so it had to be the first one in. Once the bed was placed, everything bounced off from there. You have the bed area, the living/dining area, the kitchen, and the bathroom rolled up into this 23 square meter home. floor. I really love how everything is anchored together by this paneled wall, which is actually a sliding cabinet. We don't want it to look like storage, so we dressed it up to look like a decorative recessed wall covered in this beautiful leaf-patterned wallpaper. The sofa is one of my favorite pieces. We got this from CW Home Depot and instantly we fell in love with it. It actually inspired the majority of the accessories found in the room. I love the warm tone of the wood frame and the coolness of the upholstery. The blue shade is the perfect pop of color this neutral space needed. On top of that, you never know it pulls out and becomes a bed. It's that beautiful. Another furniture piece that I'm absolutely obsessed with is this rattan stool. I love how sculptural it looks and how the saturated wood tone contrasts the sofa bed. It really matches well. A tip to make your tiny space feel bigger is to maximize the function of your furniture. Like for this piece, it has 3 functions. It is used as a chair for additional seating, can also be a center table to put stuff on, and a footstool for when you want to relax. And when you need more space, you can easily move it to the side. Pulling it all in place is this woven rug. The texture just gives it a very organic feel. It captures the characteristics of a nest, which is also what inspired the wallpaper seen throughout the room. Leaves and twigs perfectly intertwine, creating the perfect cradle. Having a corner unit with windows on both sides is both an advantage and a disadvantage. The advantage being, the view is amazing. The downside is you have little to no wall space to work with, but that's why I'm here. For this wall, we have this custom console made. Not too high and not too low. The height just enough to still be able to see the view. Proceeding to the bed area, you will see that this queen-sized bed was pushed to the edge of the window. We decided to place it here to take advantage of the view. When you're in bed, it will feel like you're floating, like you're up on a tree in your own comfortable nest, which is the whole concept of the design. For above the bed, we wanted to keep it minimal, but still decorated. We went for this shelf that runs across the head of the bed, and on top of it, we placed frames showcasing the client's personality and style. We did the same thing on the opposite side, just to provide additional desk and ledge space. From this view, I love how the wallpaper peeps from the far end of the room. It contrasts the brown paint of the wall perfectly. It adds more character and more depth.
So there you have it, you guys. We did! We pulled it off! Yay! It was really tiring, like really tiring. So definitely worth it. I hope you guys loved it, and if you did, please leave me a comment down below. Like, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at @carpardo. So that's it. Bye guys. Lots of love. See you soon. Oh no, what am I doing?